G'day guys, Corey from True Vision Tiling. Today I'm going to run you through the Lavor pressure cleaner. Trade Tools has kindly blessed me with this one, and I'm excited to show you all the attachments. It's Italian made, so it's linguine. Linguine! This kit comes with the gun itself, which has a couple of locking buttons on the back. Comes with a spray lance, patio cleaner. This comes with a 8-meter nylon hose. It also comes with a couple of brushes. This one's fixed, and then this one here has a rotating center. Now this kit comes with a few nozzles. The first one being the Vario jet. The second one being the foam jet. And the next one being the turbo nozzle bit, which this one increases the power by about 50%. And finally, the pressure cleaner itself pumps out 2,610 PSI, 8.5 litres of water every minute. Comes with a detergent bottle on the back. So go down to your local Trade Tools, pick yourself up the Lavor pressure cleaner, but don't clean your dog with it.